new Ropax Catering to Embark 1,309, starting wage 2,000 euros. If you are young steward, just came out from hospitality, hotel studies, and you want to work today, young, no experience required, we need the ship owner format, the basic Italian. If you ask for it, we will send it to you right now. Basic Italian language for safety reasons because it's Italian flag. Social security, and you can go all the way up. After 12 months, you will grow to another rank. Then you could be like, for example, steward 2,900 euros with experience, but that requires minimum 30 months, 14 months, and that will be decided on board. For the galley, the same thing. If you are really learning hospitality, hotel, kitchen side, you would like to learn how to do Italian, excellent food with Italian kitchen professionals, apply urgently. Same thing as onboard services, 2,000 euros to start, and then you go up the ladder. If you are then also for the plumber, bulb electrician on board, we're talking about 3,000 euros. If you are also a cook of hospitality business, passenger ships, not cargo ships, but passenger ships, then the passenger cooks is 3,200 euros. That is the petty officer level. So apply urgently. Thank you very much, and we look forward to grow very much these European job opportunities, especially if you are from Lithuania. Hurry up, because we get in 7 days the Codice Fiscale. Perhaps Spain takes 3 months, and some other countries faster and slower to get this very important requirement. Thank you for your time. Bye.